Hello everyone, this is Grace from United States. Many customers think how to packing and load the goods after production. Okay, let me show you the package about the portable air conditioner. Portable air conditioner, each part must packing with the foam and plastic bag to protect the machine, and add the strings to protect the package and pick it up easily. Next, let's look at the package of the fan. Fans are packing with plastic bag for each part. Some important parts, like motor and fan body, need to packing with bubble bag.